And both you and I shouldn't be too shy by letting go for once. Come and be free with me.
Stuff when it happens on the road and you're in the moment trying to deal with things, but we noticed the truck overheating a little while back and it smelled like burning radiator fluid, and so we pulled over, and sure enough we'd sprung a leak underneath and we were just spewing radiator fluid everywhere. So we've gotten pulled over now into a Shell gas station, and Bubba undid the heater hose, and I don't know if you can see that hole right there is where it was coming out of. So we only have 37 miles to go to get to the RV park we're staying at. We're almost there. We're just trying to get fixed where we can make it in, and we called a mobile mechanic. They were going to be about 2 hours to send somebody out. So while we're waiting, he's going to go ahead, he cut this off, he's putting it back in place. We're going to pour some coolant in there, see if it holds. Fingers crossed. Just one thing after another lately. And if it works, we'll be back on the road in a few minutes, I hope. We'll let you know how it goes. That's where it was leaking, right in there.
Well, we made it safe and sound here at Conroe.
Lake Conroe.
Lake Conroe in Texas. And my sisters, we're about 4 miles away. So we got our new Jackalopee in, and I'm going to explain a little bit more. I know I keep talking about the Jackalopee. Everybody's like, they don't exist. Well, check it out. They do exist. No, wait, that's Jackalope. And they do exist. But anyway, let's get on with it. This here is our new one. If you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses in them. If you can look inside there, you can see where it says truck on this side and trailer on this side. Now the truck comes up and it's wired from underneath the cab all the way to the rear of the truck, where the commercial trailer is plugged into the truck. So you can take that cord and hack it in half, strip the wires back, and shove it into this electrical outlet, not hole. That's what she said. Anyway, this is the new Jackalopee. As you can see, it's got 7 prongs here. Now the truck itself has 7 leads. You got a single for the parking light, a single for the brake light, a single for the turn signal, left or right, another signal for the turn signal, left or right. You have marker lights, and it'll give you everything in here that says, right up here, blue wire, green wire right, red wire brake, brown wire brake. You get the point. White wire at the bottom, ground. Over on this side, it does have seven prongs, just like on this side. But this brain in here will, I don't know, some genius, not me, did it. So you can take that cable on the truck, hack it in half, put 7 wires here and 7 wires here, and go all the way back to your trailer and plug in. And I don't know how he did it. Don't ask me. You need to talk to him about it. Or if you're a genius, you can figure this out yourself. So as you can see, this one here is clean. Got these it's got these fuses in there, thank goodness, because I'll show you what happened to our old one. It's all clean in there, looks pretty. Let me put this back in here. This is our old one. As you can see, a little copper in there. That wire caught fire and burnt all of these, blew all of those fuses out. So we had to get a new one. So I'm in the process right now of putting the new one in. And with God's grace, let's hope the new one works. Look, now that we've got all of our wires hooked up, the thing in place, and all your colors here on the designated wire, all your colors over here on the designated wire. This is what she looks like. Now we're gonna see if we got any power back here, and see if that old one that got burnt was the problem. We'll get this looked at, and then what we'll do is back the truck up and see what kind of stuff we have for lights, brakes, and markers. All right, there's our brakes. Let's try our blinkers. Right blinker. Left blinker. Looks like we got it done. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My. Lake Conroe, Willis, Texas. Beautiful. Today is beautiful. And actually, we can sit out here without being bundled up and have the heater on. It's beautiful. I don't know what the degree is other than nice. Ooh, almost got me right there. Beautiful out here. It is just gorgeous. It's early in the morning. 8. Not too early in the morning, but man, oh man, oh man. I'm thinking about maybe putting a fishing hook in. This is just nice. We're gonna be here for a couple of days with my sister and her family. So we got this little spot here. We are at an RV park. Like I said earlier, Texas is not too boondock friendly from what we can see. You can tell us whether they are or not. We haven't found any yet that was really close to where we could boondock and everything. Plus, she let me use her rig to drive back and forth. That's a pretty good bonus. We're only about 4 miles from them, but it's a good one.
Hello, hello, hello. Well, we kind of changed the looks of the truck. Got a headrest. Nice seat. I'm using my sister's vehicle. So we're heading over there right now. Yeah, that's all I got. Whoa. It's a little bit weird to drive this thing. I'm so used to driving something bigger and I can see over it, but it's good.
Yep, I hear there might be rumor of a brewery in our future this afternoon. That should be good.
That should be good. So we are going to do some filming, not much filming. Like I say, it's the holidays where everybody wants to be with every family member, and every family member doesn't want to have a camera shoved into their face, which is understandable. So we respect their privacy, and
we'll shove it in their face when we can.
Yeah, that's what she said. So anyway, we will see you guys here in just a.
Whoa!
I gotta pay attention. See, this is what happens when I don't pay attention and I start talking to that thing right there.
That's why you don't see him talking a whole lot when we drive. He's focused usually.
Yep. But when somebody says, we need to make films. Okay, I'll make a film, and next thing you know, we got airbags in front of us.
Now we're insured.
Yeah, right? All right. We'll catch you here in a second.
Bye.
What do you think, right? What do I think? I think we need another 15 degrees. We'll be cooking. Wonderful week here visiting with family, but it's been drizzly and rainy, and on the day we're leaving, look at it. It's beautiful. A little bit of a breeze, but that's okay. It's nice. It's so, we could have had them bring us over with the boat instead of the car.
They did offer to come get us on the boat, but I know the weather was never really nice enough to take it out while we were here.
Nope, but it was been a very, very pleasant stay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, sis. Thanks, Craig.
Yes.
Thanks, nieces. Love to see you guys. Thanks.
It was awesome. So now we've got a whopping 88-mile drive?
Yeah, I don't think I can do that. We might have to stop at a Walmart, some about 44 miles away, and split the drive up a little.
Headed to Galveston.
Galveston, oh Galveston. All right, let me get to work.
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave us a comment below so we know what you're thinking. Join us next time as we head out and have a little fun in sunny Galveston. See you next time. Bye-bye.